Rupees 50 is divided among 6 men, 12 women, and 17 boys, such that 2 men get as much as 5 boys, and 2 women get as much as 3 boys. What is the share of each boy? Now, 2 men is equivalent to 5 boys. That's what is given over here. Now, 50 is divided among 6 men. So, 6 men, we can say, will be equivalent to 15 boys. Now, 2 women are equivalent to 3 boys, and now we have 12 women. So 12 women will be equivalent to 18 boys. So now rupees 50 is divided among 6 men, that is 15 boys, 12 women, that is 18 boys, and 17 boys is equal to rupees 50. Now 15 plus 18, that is 33, 33 plus 17, you have 50. So 50B is equal to 50. So therefore B is equal to 1. That means each boy is getting rupees 1. So that's our answer.